Alright, so one teacher who has influenced me in a positive way is my hospitality service teacher in vocational high school. Her name is Mrs. Dewi. She taught hospitality service, or what we call tata hidang in Indonesia. So, what made her so memorable was her patience, disciplines, and caring personality. She always made sure that every student understood both the theory and the practical skill. During practical classes, she guided us step by step and never got angry when we made mistakes. Instead, she explained what did wrong and showed us how to improve. She also encouraged us to become confident, responsible, and professional because those qualities are very important in hospitality industry. Mrs. Dewi influenced me in many positive ways. She taught me that success does not only depend on knowledge but also on attitude, discipline, and good communication. Because of her guidance, I became more responsible and confident when working with other people. She always remind us to be polite, respect others, and do our best in every task. Although I am now studying at English Education University, I always remember what he thought. Her advice and encouragement have helped me increase my studies and my daily life. And this is why Mrs. Dewi is one of the teacher who has had the greatest positive influence way on me. Thank you.
What qualities make someone a good teacher?
Alright, yeah, so I think a good teacher should be patient, caring, and knowledgeable. They need to explain their lesson clearly and create a comfortable learning environment where students feel confident asking questions. A good teacher should also encourage students to learn from their mistakes instead of being afraid of making them. Besides that, I believe a good teacher should be able to understand that every student learns differently. Some students learn quickly, while others need more time and support. A teacher should be flexible and use different teaching methods to help everyone understand the lesson. In my opinion, these qualities not only make learning more enjoyable but also help students become more confident, motivated, and also successful in both their studies and their future life. Thank you.
Do you think teachers more are important than technology in education? Why?
Yes, I do. I believe teachers are more important than technology in education. Technology is a great tool because it gives students access to a lot of information, online courses, and learning materials. However, technology cannot replace the role of a teacher. Teacher can explain difficult concepts, answer students' questions, and provide personal guidance based on each student's needs. They also encourage students, give constructive feedback, and help them to stay motivated. In addition, teachers teach important values such as discipline, responsibility, and respect, which technology cannot do effectively. In my opinion, the best education happens when teachers and technology work together. But teacher will always be the most important role because they inspire and students in life. Thank you.
How can teacher motivate students to learn?
Alright, so yeah, I think teacher can motivate students in many different ways. First, they should make their lesson interesting and interactive by using games, group discussion, and videos or real life examples. This helps students stay focused and enjoy the learning process. Teachers should also appreciate students' efforts, not only their grades, because positive feedbacks can increase their confidence. In addition, they need to build a good relationship with their students by listening to their opinions and understanding their challenges. When students feel respected, they become more willing to participate in class. In my opinion, a teacher who is enthusiastic, encouraging, and caring can inspire students to develop a lot of learning and continue improving themselves. Thank you.
In your opinion, has the role of teacher changed in recent years?
Yes, I definitely think the role of teacher has changed a lot in recent years. In the past, teachers were mainly responsible for delivering knowledge and students mostly listened and took notes. Nowadays, teachers do much more than that. They act as a facilitators, mentors, and even role model who help students develop not only on academic knowledge but also important life skills such as critical thinking, communication, and teamwork. In addition, because of technology, teachers now use digital tools, online learning platforms, and interactive activities to make lessons more engaging. I believe that today's teacher need to be more creative, flexible, and supportive so they can make the difference learn to the students. Thank you.
Should school focus only on academic achievement or should they also teach life skill? Why?
I believe schools should focus on both academic achievement and life skill because both are important for students' futures. Academic subjects provide knowledge and help students prepare for higher education and their careers. However, life skills such as communication, teamwork, problem solving, time management, and leadership are just as important. These skills help students deal with real life situations and work effectively with other people. For example, students who have good communication and teamwork skill are usually more confident during presentations or group projects. In my opinion, the main goal in education is not to help students get good grades, but also to prepare them to become responsible, independent, and successful individuals in society. Thank you.